Welcome back on this beautiful day. We got a really nice Honda Accord Coupe. This is an EX edition, 2011, two-owner unit, 25 dealer service records, factory sunroof, black on black. Got the premium package on it, 4-cylinder automatic transmission, auxiliary line in. Super nice car, no accidents, clean Carfax on it. Again, two-owner unit, non-smoker, factory sunroof. Nice. Great driver, over 30 miles to a gallon. Extremely reliable, comfortable, dependable. You're going to get guaranteed credit approval on this, folks. Yup. You're looking at $795 starting down payment. 3-month, 4,500 mile service contract is included on this particular unit. It's going to get you all the driveline covered, at least till the summer ends. Awesome demo. Come on down, take her for a ride. GasCleveland.com. We got guaranteed credit approval. We got 5-star reviews. And we got the cars. GasCleveland.com.